Yesterday, Boston Scientific Corporation, outside of the regular trading hours, jumped above the order price, and there were shares sold at a higher price than ours. So in a live system, we would have made this $1,600 profit. Unfortunately, as it's a paper trading system, it not always sells as good as a live system. However, yesterday we started with 15 open positions. Today we have 16. On Monday we had 17 open positions. So we're staying in the same balance. Yesterday we started trading right on the opening of the exchange. Today I'm going to trade a few minutes later than that. The clock is set at my local time. You can set that by changing the chart at being in the user time zone. Now you see the charts at the time on the exchange. So we're going to wait for a few minutes. Hopefully not too many positions are going to close outside of the regular trading hours, because I like to show them here. Sounds maybe a little bit silly, but we are not trying to make as much profit as possible. We are trying to get a best trading engine. So therefore, not always do we try to achieve the highest profits. All right, see you back in a few minutes. As you can see, the trading has begun. We are now 1 minute and a few seconds, 20, 30 seconds. You can see here on the top into today's trading session. I have created my headers so I can see the new trades for today. I'm going to press F5, press F6, press F2. I'm going to trade on 80 shares, as always trading on 80 shares. And we'll see the trades coming in as they come in. Going to try again to make about 10 trades today. What you see here on the side of the screen is a histogram. Where is it? There you go. No, that's not it. Volume histogram, there we are. And it shows you basically where most of the shares have changed owner. We have gotten nicely 3,000 shares of this stock. He's trying to make 15 cents profit, which is, I think, more than enough. Trading on this share is, in my opinion, a bug, as it has been going down since the opening. Probably has received 25 short trades, and it's not allowed to go short, so finally got a long trade and is going long. It is, however, going to close with a profit, as you will see. It also just only decided to take 3 cents profit on this share, not the 15 cents we have in the settings. Yesterday we also had quite a negative training session where it took a long time for the engine to start making profits. Looks like we're having the same today. Normally you would see profits coming in after a few seconds already. This share has gone the wrong direction quite fast. Bought it at 54, so I'm gonna sell it at 55, 56, because I don't like this share at all. We finally see it starting to make some profits, realized profits. It's been making a profit every now and then, but just not good enough for it to wanna be happy with it. If you put it on 1 or 2 cents of profit, you probably see it doing a lot more trades. However, we're not trying to do a lot of trades, and we're not trying to make a lot of profit. We're trying to get good trades. I think I have enough trades for today, so I'm going to pause the engine. Might as well just terminate it. Interesting that our trade grid doesn't stay on top. You will see that if your time period is a bit too long, your volume history will go away because like the brokers does not keep a long record of this. If I change it back to 2 weeks, you'll see it again. This does, however, take bandwidth from your system. Anything you do has a cost, as they say. The share, which was 1,000 minus, is now, as you can see, recovered again, and we're going to take a profit and get out of it. Maybe give it a little bit more just so we can cover our expenses better. Market to market, probably we could have made a few thousand on this share. It's probably going to recover all the way up. Probably Kets was right and I am wrong, but it doesn't fit in my risk profile, so I'm teaching it not to use this share. There we go. As you can see, a paper account will only sell the shares if the share price passes the requested price, which is okay in a way, because you know that when you trade live, you're gonna always have a better result than when you trade on paper. I kind of like this share because to me it looks like it's gonna go up quite nicely. Not fast, but it will. So I'm going to give it a little bit more money, giving it a positive stimulus rather than a negative by lowering the price and not judging this share. Could go either way. Always shares can go either way, of course, but I think here it was a bit too aggressive. I'm going to lower the stimulants a bit. I'm fine with this. I am fine with this. I am fine with this. I am fine with this. Give it a little bit less maybe. All right, I think I have adjusted my trades the way I want them to be. Probably get to close a few of the other trades from yesterday. Yesterday everything was going in the wrong direction, but there are days and like this and like that, as they say. But we'll end up probably the same amount of open positions, only with some realized profit on the bank account, as always. That's it for today.